Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to transfer from MetaMask to Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your MetaMask app, and after that you will have to first select your network. In order to select it, you need to tap on this top arrow button in the top. And after that, among the given networks, you just have to select the network that you want. For this video, I am going to select it as Ethereum mainnet. Then you need to tap on USDT option. If you are not able to find USDT on ERC20, then you will have to tap on import token. After that, in the search bar, you will have to search for USDT, and then you need to select USDT, and you simply need to press this import button. This way you will be able to import USDT token in your Ethereum network. So you will have to tap on USDT, and then you need to scroll down, and here you will have to tap on the option of send now. Once you tap on send, you will be asked to provide the address or scan the QR code. So in order to get it, you will have to launch your Bybit app. After that, you need to tap on assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on deposit and select the option of deposit crypto. Afterwards, among the given cryptos, you will have to search for USDT and select the ERC20 network. As in MetaMask, we have selected ERC20 network. After that, you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy that deposit address, and you will have to come here and you simply need to paste that address in the section. After that, you need to press the next button in the bottom. And on the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal, and this way you will be able to easily transfer from MetaMask to Bybit. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.